Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But just a few trending topics we see popping in down so that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so just watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Dancehall Queen Spice because she is the queen of marketing and she have the people them attack both she sell her soul to the devil and all of them things. You see, my people putting out the comment section where you think about that. Obviously, we're talking about her chain that she's wearing. You see, people is seemingly saying it looked like a Baphomet chain. You know, similar to what, you know, Americans was calling out Snoop Dogg on.
One of the most freaky things that during the Paris 2024 Olympics, Snoop Dogg wore a goat chain that led to various interpretations on social media. Some people speculated about its meaning, associating it with Baphomet. However, Snoop Dogg has since responded, denying these claims and sharing a video. "This is the gold I had made because somebody told me I was the goat, so I wanted to make me a gold chain. All that other shit you are talking about. I don't know what you are talking about, but this is the goat, greatest of all time. So now y'all know the truth. It's a goat. Media loves starting. Leave me the alone. We'll be having fun in Paris." What do you think about this?
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. Obviously, Spice, his name Grace Hamilton, and you know who she fears. It's I'm not sure she's gonna address the rumors, but that's what the people them is writing all over her comment section. You see, I already know people sessions here. Don't do things like that for be where she is, you see me, but let's give an update while I'm going for that to go on. Let's proceed to the next.
Them are saying, Zane, them say, if you want with your friend them, sick or drunk and lay down the road. Yeah. And if you want more people who want a piece of your flesh, play dead. Zane? Yeah. Now, all the people that were hiding, all the sharks that were hiding in the deep, the sharks them that have been hiding in the deep, waiting to devour Andrew Walden's flesh, they have come forward. Them look on the shoreline now. All the sharks them. Check the social media space. Check the platforms. The sharks them out. Because blood in the water. Blood in the water. Mark Golden them blood in the water. The Integrity Commission blood in the water. So the sharks them out and them not hide. So sharp long teeth. Ready to devour Andrew Walden's flesh. And if Andrew Walden not have the power to fight back, them are going to eat up in flesh. And if Jamaican people allow them to, them are going to eat up in flesh. Remember that. Now, according to them, the Prime Minister should resign because he tell lie. Say, he was not under investigation. The same people that read the report saying this, you know. I read the report. And in the report, the Prime Minister wrote a letter to them, to the Integrity Commission.
I have been involved in political life for more than 30 years. Yes, more than 30 years. It always gives me a sense of great pride, but also a sense of humility to consider that, you know, I grew up in a 2-bedroom board house at 56 Cumberland Road, just up from the Grassyard Market in Spanish Town. I don't wear my background as a badge or try to exploit it or exploit my humble beginnings for political sympathy. I don't do it. I don't do it because I believe in working for what you have, regardless of where you come from. And Mr. Speaker, I have worked hard. You know, people just see the achievements. They don't know the hours, the nights, the hard work. They don't know. I have worked hard, wisely, and honestly to achieve whatever I have. I never had a gold spoon, and I have never depended on the public purse.
Okay, put in the comment section if you're voting JOP or PNP because you already know me, but not vote none of them because they don't have our best interests at hand. As you can see, JP still has an illegal monopoly in Jamaica and it doesn't seem nobody wants to do anything about it. You see, man, I keep on highlighting that to my peoples for honor for bring to on a political dante. You see what I say? Because we know this type of activity, the legal monopolies is not allowed in America, which will not try to follow. You see what I say? So, you know, I just think both sides is doing a good job to deceiving the people, you know what I mean, to enrich themselves. You see what I say? But like I said, I'm just the messenger. I'm delivering the message. You see me? Let's proceed to the next.
Lego me t-shirt.
I bet she does say.
Lego me t-shirt.
I'm out.
Okay, people, the comet has crashed, you know, landed on the planet, dancehall scene, and Alkaline is scrambling, you know what I mean, like fried eggs, because this is the same track not even reach 100,000 views. You see, and it's not a good look that we see he's trying to disrespect Vybz Kartel wife Sidem, as you see his preview a new track cover. You see, as you can see, the people them on his fan page, you know, that's run by Alkaline people them. I see them him cut out and put in the picture. Put down the comment section where anything about that. I couldn't find the picture of Sidem that they used in question, but everyone can take a look at the screen and try to figure out the puzzle. You see some part is missing on the left hand side, you feel what I mean? Honestly, people, I don't think it's a good idea for nobody to try for this Vybz Kartel thinking that his voice is not good, because we see that he recorded Fever behind the prison wall, so I'm pretty sure he has a whole bunch of diss tracks unreleased that he did behind prison walls against everybody that was disrespecting him. You see my say? So I don't think it's a good idea for them to try to do that, you see me. Picking aside from now, because we see say him and his son is about to release a song, you know, soon. Man of the moment or man of the match, you know what I mean, fly them back like Marlin. So let's start giving them an update while going for that to go on, put in the comment section where you think about that, because we are expecting nothing to happen at Sting. You know what I mean? Alkaline a studio artist, you see me, so Kartel, you know, talk about the people them, you know, the DJ boy them would never want the judge to set him free, and them career cut short since him touched the mic. It cut like Nicki Minaj mini, you see me. Proceed to the next note.
Guys, I will not be posting anymore in my personal life on social media. I never used to do it. I'm just in a season where I'm just happy and carefree and I live my life. But honestly, from them use the AI, something, freeze the video frame, use the AI and take off the emoji off of the man face and send it go over the blogs. I should have did just snip it in at the bud from there, but I didn't want dirty people to feel like them win. You know what I mean? And especially the fact that they were talking about my partner so negatively over the blog, I felt a responsibility because I was the one that put it out there. People evil, especially when they come on to me, I don't know what I do. People are so evil, and I'm just tired. So whatever little happiness I have, but just I gotta keep it close to me. And I know a lot of fans and well-wishers out there were happy to see the process and happy to be happy in the process and join in the process with me and him, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna risk my happiness or his happiness anymore. So, yeah.
Yes, people, putting at the comment section, can you relate to what Tifa is saying? You see, you don't know the thing set being a celebrity, but you know how the thing set being a non-celebrity are the same thing. You know what I mean? So should people really be, forced to keep their, relationship private? You see what I say? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, before we end the review, I just want to give an update on Diddy, because them put him, in a secure place so he can unalive himself. You see what I say? So he's under like 24/7 watch, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people is saying he's about to, Jeffrey Epstein himself, if you know what I mean. Because I don't know, people, like, there's tapes of secret recordings of Diddy recording people that trusted him. You know what I mean? How does he go back to the public as a free man and face all of these people? You know what I mean? A simple sorry is not going to help it. You see, some people, this is a RICO case, so a lot more people is about to be arrested. So a lot of people is going to be snitching and cooperating to avoid jail time and a lighter sentence, if you know what I mean. You see what I said? So this is definitely not a good look, but we will continue giving an update. So to make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.